Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A16 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change from alphanumeric screen lock password to pin lock screen password in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. First of all, I lock my phone and try to unlock, and it is asking my alphanumeric password. My alphanumeric password is pingy4. Okay, click on done. Now I would like to change from this pingy4 to just numbers. Okay, that is a pin. Okay, so what I have to do is just follow my video and you will understand, and you can also set it what I do. Okay, just go to settings of your phone first, then go to lock screen here and click on screen lock type and give your current alphanumeric password for authentication and confirmation. Okay, so you go to type your current alphanumeric password. Here my password pingy4. Okay, click on continue. Now select pin. Okay, now you can type your new pin. Okay, so here I would like to type 1980. Okay, and click on continue. Again you go to type the same pin to verify. Okay, so 1980 and click on next, and yes, it is set now. Now lock your phone and try to unlock. Okay, now your new pin will be asked for unlocking your phone. Pin contains at least 4 digits. Okay, so give your new pin here 1980. Okay, 1980. Yes, it's working very well. So in this way you can easily change from alphanumeric screen password to pin lock screen password in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.